Are you a passionate DIY enthusiast eager to take on thrilling projects in your home, garden, or workshop? Your search ends here, as Ryobi's power tools are poised to turn your DIY aspirations into a vibrant reality. Join us as we delve into Ryobi's most innovative tools for DIY projects, opening up a world of boundless possibilities. Elevate your cutting experience with the Ryobi Table Saw solution designed just for you. It boasts an impressive range of features aimed at enhancing your cutting capabilities. Powered by a robust brushless motor and advanced electronics, this table saw delivers corded cutting performance, achieving speeds of up to 4,500 RPM for precise and controlled cuts. Additionally, its adjustable self-aligning material fence guarantees straight and accurate cuts, while the rack and pinion blade height adjustment provides precision depth control. The table saw's sturdy steel frame ensures added durability and strength, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. Safety is a top priority, as it comes equipped with a blade guard assembly featuring anti-kickback paws and includes a push stick, prioritizing operator protection during use. Whether you're a dedicated DIY enthusiast or a seasoned woodworker, with this Ryobi table saw, you can effortlessly tackle all your cutting tasks with confidence. Are you ready to meet the game-changing innovation in leveling? Allow me to introduce the Ryobi 360 Green Line Laser. With its cutting-edge green laser technology, this laser significantly enhances the visibility of laser lines, providing up to 4 times better clarity. Not only that, but it also extends the working range to an impressive 25 meters, making it suitable for even the largest indoor spaces. The horizontal 360-degree line laser enables you to effortlessly work across multiple wall spaces without the need to constantly readjust or reposition the tool. But there's more. It comes with an automatic self-leveling function, eliminating the need for repeated adjustments. Achieving flawless leveling around your house has never been easier. Prepare to be astonished by Ryobi's latest gem, the 12-volt cordless rotary tool kit. This compact powerhouse packs a punch with its wide RPM range, spanning from 5,000 to 35,000, making cutting, grinding, and sanding tasks a breeze. Finding the perfect speed for each application is a cinch, thanks to the variable speed dial. Plus, its lightweight design allows you to maneuver like a pro even in cramped spaces. But here's the real game changer, the quick change collet. Say farewell to slow accessory changes because this innovative tool is 4 times faster, ensuring seamless switching between tools. So, if you're in search of a versatile and user-friendly rotary tool that effortlessly tackles any DIY project, don't miss out on the Rotary Tool Kit. It's a true game changer. Take a look at the Ryobi Hole Stud Detector. This compact tool is like a stud finder on steroids. It features 7 bright green LEDs that make locating studs a breeze. With its auto depth scan technology, it accurately identifies both wood and metal studs, even in walls up to 1.5 inches thick. No need for a pencil, as it comes equipped with a built-in stud marker that conveniently marks the center. Just press the center button, and you're all set. This handy device glides effortlessly on felt pads and quickly pinpoints studs behind drywall, although it may encounter some challenges with rough textures. It's compact, lightweight, and runs on 2 AAA batteries. So, if you're tired of the struggle of finding studs, give the Ryobi Hole Stud Detector a try. It'll have you locating studs behind drywall like a pro in no time. Now, let's introduce the Ryobi Wet Dry Vacuum, a highly versatile and efficient cleaning solution designed to tackle both dry debris and liquid spills with remarkable efficacy. Despite its compact size, this vacuum boasts powerful suction capabilities, effortlessly capturing dust, crumbs, and other dry particles. What's more, with a simple switch, it swiftly handles liquid spills, ensuring that every mess is taken care of by this powerful vacuum. Additionally, its portability and lightweight design make it easy to carry from room to room, eliminating the need to lug heavy vacuum cleaners up and down the stairs. With this reliable cleaning companion, bid farewell to messes and say hello to a consistently clean house. Are you in search of portable lighting support to enhance your DIY tasks? Look no further. Ryobi brings you the LED flip light, a versatile lighting solution that offers 500 lumens of brightness with 3 different light modes, allowing you to effortlessly find the perfect illumination for your needs. Here's the highlight: you can mount this light practically anywhere, thanks to its pivoting standard magnetic base. Need to shed light on a specific spot? No problem, this light has got you covered. What's most intriguing is that it can run for an entire day in low mode and is fully dust and water resistant. So, whether you're working on a construction site or tackling various DIY projects, this lighting solution will be your dependable sidekick. Introducing the Ryobi USB Lithium Foam Cutter Kit, your new go-to for effortlessly cutting, shaping, and shaving foam. With a rapid heat-up time of under 2 minutes, it's always ready when you are. You can easily adjust the precision temperature with dual heat settings to suit your project needs. The kit includes 3 foam cutting tips: the hot wire tip for carving and shaping, the precision engraving tip for adding intricate details, and the holding tip for cutting out shapes. Changing tips is a breeze, with no tools required. It keeps you informed about its heating status and battery charge through its LED indicator. So, whether you're into foam crafting or need a handy tool for DIY projects, this cutter is definitely worth considering. It's a versatile companion that ensures your foam-related tasks are a breeze. So this concludes our list of the 7 coolest Ryobi power tools to make your DIY dreams a reality. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.